Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with Amazon. So make sure to watch the full video. Making money with Amazon involves various strategies, from selling products to leveraging their affiliate program. Here's a comprehensive guide. 1. Selling on Amazon. Retail arbitrage. Buy discounted products from local stores or online sources and resell them at a higher price on Amazon. Private labeling. Create your own brand and source products from manufacturers or suppliers to sell under your brand name on Amazon. Wholesale. Purchase products in bulk from distributors or manufacturers and sell them on Amazon at a markup. Handmade. If you're a craftsperson, you can sell your handmade products through Amazon Handmade. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Let Amazon handle storage, shipping, and customer service by sending your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. This can free up your time and improve customer experience. 2. Amazon Associates, Affiliate Program. Product recommendations. Promote Amazon products by creating affiliate links and incorporating them into your website, blog, or social media posts. Niche websites. Build a website focused on a specific niche, such as technology, health, or fashion. Write reviews and informative articles, and include affiliate links. YouTube and social media. Create content related to products and include affiliate links in your descriptions. This works well for product reviews, tutorials, and recommendations. 3. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Ebooks. Write and publish your own ebooks on Kindle. Fiction, nonfiction, self-help, and guides are popular genres. Paperbacks. Publish physical books through KDP Print, which allows you to sell paperback copies of your work. 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk, Minturk. Microtasks. Complete small tasks, surveys, or data entry jobs through Minturk and earn a fee for each task completed. Crowdsourcing. Some businesses use Minturk to gather information, conduct surveys, or complete tasks that require human intelligence. 5. Amazon Influencer Program. Curate lists. If you're a social media influencer or content creator, you can curate lists of recommended products and share them with your followers using your unique Amazon Influencer Storefront link. 6. Merch by Amazon. Print-on-demand t-shirts. Design and upload custom t-shirt designs. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service, while you earn a royalty on each sale. 7. Amazon Advertising. Sponsored products. Promote your products within Amazon search results and product pages using sponsored ads. Amazon Stores. Create a branded multi-page store to showcase your products and provide a seamless shopping experience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.